This is the practice test for algebra, and we're working here on problem number 14. And the problem states that an accountant receives a salary of $262,000 per year. During the year, he plans to spend $99,000 on his mortgage, $54,000 on his food, $32,000 on clothing, $41,000 on household expenses, and $28,000 on other expenses. With the money that is left over, he expects to buy as many shares of stock at $250 per share as possible. And then we have this little hint: you do not have to use the formula, but I will use it. The number of shares is equal to the salary minus the expenses divided by 250, which is the cost per share. Now, letter A says, what is the sum of the accountant's expenses? And so we have to sum up all of these expenses that are given to us in the problem. You need to be careful that you get all of them written down. Add all, there's 5 of them in total. You add them all up, and you get the total expenses is $254,000. And then on letter B, we are asked how many shares was he able to purchase. And here we're going to use the formula that the number of shares is equal to the salary, which was given as $262,000, minus the expenses, $254,000, which we found in letter A, and we're going to divide that by 250, the cost per share. Now, when we do the subtraction, we get 8,000, and then we're going to divide that by the 250, and the answer is going to be 32 shares.